Yes, guys, how to make money with ChatGPT on YouTube. Let's go. So, guys, hope you guys are well. So, check this out, right? When I go into a search like vidIQ or YouTube, look at this ChatGPT. ChatGPT, the key word, guys, when you just type it in, the searching, when anyone searches on YouTube, there's 24 million, 20, almost 25 million people searching this on a monthly basis, guys. On a monthly basis. Now, ChatGPT has become massive. Everyone knows about ChatGPT. If you don't know, you need to know. But basically, what it is like an open source sort of website where you can search for anything and it will give you the answer. It will tell you exactly what you want to find out and how to do it. Guys, it's ridiculously amazing. So if we jump onto the chat, if we jump on to ChatGPT, then I'll show you right now. So check this out, guys. All right, check this out. I'm gonna go onto ChatGPT, go to the playground, and the whole title of our video is how to make money on YouTube, right? So let's ask ChatGPT and see what they're gonna say. So, what? Look at this, guys. Give me the real answer. All right, let's go. Let's check this out. So, how to make money on YouTube? Become a YouTube partner and make money from ads. Okay, so we know that. How do you become a YouTube partner? Well, it tells us that requires you to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time over the past year. Once accepted, you can link your channel to Google AdSense, the company's advertising program. When viewers click on ads, you get paid. Nice. So that's one way of getting money. Products, services. You can also make money on YouTube by promoting products and services. This involves creating videos that demonstrate or mention products and services of other companies. You can post the videos on your own channel or on a sponsored channel. Very good. Another one, sell merchandise. You can also sell merchandise related to your videos. You can sell t-shirts, hats, mugs, and other merchandise, and so on. You can become an affiliate. You can also make money on YouTube, become an affiliate. This involves promoting products or services from others. Guys, look, it's telling you how to make money. ChatGPT is actually giving you the full answer straight from the horse's mouth. Guys, ChatGPT is amazing. How to make money on YouTube. So this is a few ways, a few proven good ways that people actually do make money on YouTube. And look, you know, when you actually find these things out, then what you should do is you should actually check them out. So what I would do is I would copy part of what they say and say selling merch, how to sell merchandise, how to sell merchandise on YouTube. Look, it's it's amazing, guys. It's the first search. So people are actually looking at this, right? So it actually is legit. It's actually something that people are doing. So when you click on it, obviously you're going to get a search of all kinds of people, videos of people how to sell their merch on YouTube. Look, YouTube, how to set up and sell. Some of the famous YouTubers out there. Yeah, so look, guys, it's all there. It's all there. So what I would do is I would actually use ChatGPT just to do your searches and to find things out. Because look, I found that this is amazing, guys. This website is ridiculously good. I mean, you can type anything. How to make money on YouTube. Let me see something. Using Fiverr. See what it says. Oh, sorry. Let me get rid of everything else first. Let's see. All right. Delete. Submit. Let's see what it says. Create a Fiverr account. Offer your services to those who are looking for YouTube-related services. Promote your services on YouTube and other social media platforms. Make sure you have a great portfolio. Deliver quality work. Ask for referrals. Stay up to date with the latest trends on YouTube. Experiment with different strategies. Monitor your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Always strive to provide the best possible service to your clients. Guys, listen, I don't need a virtual assistant. I don't need anything, guys. You got Chatgpt, guys. This AI, this robot, this whatever it is amazing, guys. You can literally search anything, how to make money on YouTube, and then you should just need to get more specific, guys. Okay, what videos should I make on YouTube? What videos should I make on YouTube to make money? Yeah, I think that sounds pretty fair. Right, let me get rid of all of these answers, delete, and then click submit. Right, tell me, how-to tutorials. That's amazing. I do some how-to tutorials, video game walkthroughs, product reviews, unboxing videos, some vlogs, comedy sketches, educational videos, celebrity interviews, short films, and music videos. See, guys, look, here are some amazing ways that you can actually make money on YouTube. What videos you need to make on YouTube to make money, guys. Look, this is fantastic, guys. This is fantastic, guys. So how to start? So what I would do is I would literally just go and say how to start a product review. Let's say, because that's one of the ones on the list. Review. Look, it's there, guys. Look at this. Look, it's the top one there as well. Ridiculous, guys. It's the top one there. How to start a product review YouTube channel. Let me click this. Oh my God, guys, this is amazing. Look at this. Loads out here, guys. Loads out here. Review video, no face videos, no money, no problem. So guys, listen, this is what I'll do. So what you need to do is how to make money on YouTube is we know basically the kind of videos that will be good to make money, right? Now we've figured it out. There's a whole list. What videos should I make on YouTube to make money? Here's a whole list. You got to look at what it is that you like to do, what you enjoy doing in terms of on YouTube. If it's something where you like doing games, you play games or video game walkthroughs, then do that. And then what you do is do your research. So actually go on YouTube to do your research. YouTube is a fantastic resource to do your research, but I'll also do another bit of research. What you do need to do is you need to do your research through something called a TubeBuddy or vidIQ, right? TubeBuddy or vidIQ, guys, because this is where you're going to actually do your research. So, whenever you go on, vidIQ or TubeBuddy, you'll see, for example, on the side here, look at the side here, the side panel, you can see that this is actually a pretty excellent search term, right? It's for ranking. So how to actually do product reviews is a good search term. So what you'd probably need to do is you need to obviously have TubeBuddy or have vidIQ so that you're able to see what kind of product review videos you're going to do. Okay, so you'd actually do your research. You'd go to somewhere called keyword research on YouTube, TubeBuddy, and then check out kind of things that would do well on YouTube. So, for example, let's say product review. Okay, let's say you want to do a product review channel. So, in terms of product reviews, you might do a product review on. Now, look, it kind of gives you ideas of the kind of thing that people look for as well, which is quite good. But let's say you wanted to do something on, say, Shopify. Shopify is a website, which is a business website, if you like, that people actually look for a lot just to see if they can kind of start a business or do a business and set it up on this website called Shopify. Now, if I wanted to see how popular this search term is, you can see, look at the stats for this. You can see that on the side panel, TubeBuddy is telling me that the search volume is decent, is good, and the competition, there is still room to actually do this. So the competition isn't too much. It's pretty good for you to work in. and it's given an excellent overall score, 84 out of 100, which is amazing, guys. So this sounds like something maybe that you could do a product review on. So what you'd need to do is you need to go, or if I wanted to look at something like called vidIQ, so this is TubeBuddy, and TubeBuddy, like I said, is an amazing SEO software. And not only is it good to actually do your keyword research and find things out, but it's also amazing when you actually want to create your videos and to kind of look for kind of words that you want to include on your videos. Because, you know, when it comes to creating your videos, you need to have some kind of tool out there. So if I just take this, for example, one of my videos inside the video, if you like, you can see that TubeBuddy would actually give me suggestions. So this video, which is called How to Rank YouTube Videos on First Page, TubeBuddy gives me suggestions on tags to include, on words to include, and it also gives me a ranking for these things. So it really helps you actually rank up your video. Not only do you need to do your keyword research in this case, but you'd also need to make sure that you're able to rank the videos that you do. Right? If that makes sense. So yeah, so coming back to Chatgpt, you know, choose something that exactly that you want to do. We just very quickly looked at product review videos, which we could do. And we very quickly looked at research. Remember, look, with regards to these SEO softwares, like I said to you, for TubeBuddy or vidIQ, check out my free trials in the link in the description and look at all my favorite software that I use to create videos and do my thumbnails and all my social media that I do. Fantastic software that I've got. Check them out and you can try them out for free. But guys, that is really very quickly how Chatgpt can help you make money on YouTube. Guys, I hope you like the video. Click the like, subscribe, hit that smash that notification bell if you like the video. Guys, I can't talk today. I'm sorry. Apologies. See you in the next one.